Hello viewers, are you experiencing WhatsApp music no result found problem? Here you can see music search result not showing. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's start. For solving this problem, first of all, go to settings. Go to settings. And then scroll down and find apps option. Now go to apps option. Now find WhatsApp from the app list. Tap on WhatsApp. Scroll down. Tap on storage. Tap on clear cache. Now go back. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen. Go to Play Store. Tap on search bar and search for WhatsApp. Now update your WhatsApp in latest version. After completing update process, now restart your phone. After restart your device, hopefully this method will fix your problem. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.